Lord Jagannath's properties spread across Odisha and beyond are set to be reclaimed as the state government has initiated the process of bringing them back under proper management. Law Minister Prithviraj Harichandan informed that the Lord owns nearly 58,000 acres of land within and outside the state. Out of this, land records for around 36,000 to 37,000 acres have already been prepared. The process of finalizing documents for the remaining land is currently underway. The minister assured that the government is working at a fast pace to ensure that all such properties are properly recorded and retrieved. Efforts are being made to accurately assess the extent and location of these lands, whether in Puri, other parts of Odisha, or outside the state. He further added that the government is committed to ensuring these valuable assets are once again utilized for the service and welfare of Lord Jagannath's temple and related purposes.
पाखापाखि 58,000 एकर जमी ठाकुरंकर विभिन्न जगार पड़ी देश राज्य और राज्य बाहर से आम पाखे एपर्यंत भी 36-37,000 एकर कागजपत्र भी प्रस्तुत हो सारी बाकी गुड़िकर कागजपत्र प्रस्तुत कर प्रक्रिया चली तेणुक आम भावुँ सरकार निश्चित भाव में बहुत त्वरित गति रे काम आरंभ कर महाप्रभुंकर संपत्ति भूसंपत्ति जोटी जहाँ अच्छी ताकू केमिति ठीक ढंग से आम आकलन कर दिगरे जहाँ पदक्षेप नवा कथा सरकार प्रक्रिया आरंभ कर।